Good morning, students. Today's topic is basic geometrical ideas. Geometrical ideas. Okay, first one, point. This is the point. This is the point. You put a dot with pencil or pen. That is called point. It is usually denoted by a capital letter. It means A, P, R, like that letters, capital letters. Okay, any letter. It is usually denoted by a capital letter. These are called points. Point, point, point. This is point. Next one, line. This is the line. It has two arrow marks, both sides having arrow marks. It has no end points. It has no end points. It can extend both sides. It means you can extend both sides, this side or this side, right side or left side, unlimitedly. It means this is a line. Okay, you can extend this both sides unlimitedly, like that. You can extend this side also. This side also you can extend. So this is called line. It has no end points. Both sides are having only arrow marks. So this is called line. Point and line. Third one, ray. Ray. This is a ray. Here one point, end point is there. A ray has one end point. A ray is a part of a line. It is a part of a line. This is the line. In this line, from a point, this is ray. This is also one more ray. So, a ray is a part of a line. It begins at a point. It begins at a point and goes on endlessly in a perfect direction. It is going passing on a perfect direction. Not like this. Not like this. This is a ray and it is a part of a line. It begins at a point. One point is there. It begins from this point and goes on endlessly in a perfect direction. This is the perfect direction. This is not. Next one, line segment. Line segment. See the difference between ray, line, ray and a line segment. This is line, this is ray and this is a line segment. A line segment having two endpoints. Okay. It is formed by joining 2 points. It means here is a point, here is a point. Join these 2 points. So this is a line segment. 2 points, joining 2 points. It has a fixed length. You can measure the length of a line segment because it has a fixed length. So you can measure the length of a line segment. Okay. Next one, curve. Curve means like this or like this. These are curves. Any figure drawn without scale, without lifting pencil may be called a curve. You can draw a curve like this. These are the curves. One second. Any figure drawn without scale, without lifting pencil may be called a curve. Curves are two types. One is open curve. These are all 1, 2, 3, 4. These are all open curves. Closed curve means it was closed. So this is a closed curve. This is a open curve. A simple curve is one that does not cross itself. Cross means like this. This is crossed. But here what say? A simple curve is one that does not cross itself. So this is not a simple curve. Okay. This is the curve. Next one. Angle. This is the angle. By these two rays, here one angle is formed. This is the angle. This is the angle. An angle is made up of two rays. This is a ray and this is a ray. Both are starting from a point. Starting from a common point. This is the common point for these two rays. Okay. The common end point is called vertex. This point is called, common point is called vertex. And the two rays, this is one of the ray, this is the another ray. These two rays are arms of the angle. But this is the angle. These are the arms of the angle. Once again, here, see the difference carefully. Point is okay. The difference between mainly line. A line having no endpoints. This is having only rays. So this is called line. Ray is starting from a point. So it has one endpoint. And another is extend in a perfect direction, endlessly. This is the ray. Next one is line segment. A line segment is having two endpoints. Line segment is having two endpoints. Ray having one endpoint, and ray is no having any endpoints. This is the main difference. Next, curve. Open curve, closed curve. Next, angle. An angle is made up of two rays starting from a common endpoint. The common endpoint is called vertex and the two rays are arms of the angle. Okay. Have a nice day. Take care of your health. Stay home. Be careful. Thank you.